Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Richmond. Congratulations on your 75th Jalsa Salana, which is just truly an amazing accomplishment, especially knowing all the volunteerism and all the hard work that goes into these events. And thank you for living your values and going out into my community and engaging in service while you're here. I hope your 76th, your 77th, your 78th, and so on Jalsa Salanas are here. And I'll know to blame Mayor Avula if they're not. But I'm going to go off a little bit my script from what I had written because of a couple things that I've heard here today. You know, I'm a government teacher, and it was just the 4th of July, and I actually think it's really amazing that we're congregating here the day after. And as I was walking back, and as I was being shepherded to where I was supposed to go, I met my newest acquaintance, and maybe I would even say friend Salim, who told me his amazing story of going from Pakistan to Germany to Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, where he lives now, and now into service in this community. And as he told the story, he started welling up, and I started getting emotional because it's a truly American story. And so as Mr. Naeem was talking, his remarks said, what the Ahmadiyya offers America, and I think for the rest of us, it's what does America offer the Ahmadiyya? And I think what it offers is your slogan, love for all, hatred for none, a place where all of us can thrive for who we are, and out of thriving who we are, be able to give a giving hand, to be able to be our true selves, to be able to love our loved ones and to be in our community. And I think in a time where there's a lot of reasons to be pessimistic, there's a lot of reasons to be sad, there's a lot of things that don't make sense happening, I think being here today, hearing that story, and talking about a giving hand is the hope. It is the American story. It is why we are great together. And I think to end, I can't think of a better place for you all to be than a mile away from where the Virginia Statute for Religious Freedom was passed. A law that became the foundation for America's freedom of religion, a law that ensures that all of us can be full citizens and can be ourselves. And so it has been such an honor to be here with you. It has been such an honor to share some time with you. I hope you enjoy your rest of your time here, and I can't wait to see you back here next year. Thank you so much.